Unplanned downtime costs more than repairs. It disrupts production, strains maintenance teams, and impacts the bottom line. NTN Guardian is a complete condition monitoring system that combines wireless sensors, intelligent software, and expert engineering support to help facilities detect issues early and plan maintenance on their terms. Guardian's rugged wireless sensors capture vibration, temperature, and running speed data from critical rotating equipment. That data is analyzed in the cloud and transformed into clear, easy-to-understand asset health scores and real-time alerts, so maintenance teams know which machines need attention and when. Intuitive dashboards bring key machine health insights together, helping teams prioritize work, improve reliability, and avoid unexpected failures. And unlike solutions that stop at sensors and software, Guardian is backed by NTN's engineering experts, supporting your condition monitoring program from initial setup through long-term success. NTN Guardian, condition monitoring backed by expertise.